Buenos dias. There's people over in the park, so I kind of keep it down. Whoa. What? That's a kid. Freaking Shelby. I mean, I'm waiting on Henry. No, leave that alone. Oh God. It's in the afternoon. We have, you know, we've just been busy today. Can't always work on cars. So sometimes, you know, a lot of times we got to do family stuff or dog stuff. So today we took the Dags out to the facility, and you know, we were all leading the fox life. Teresa won't let them ride in the edge. So we loaded them up in the brain, took them out to the facility, and let them run around a little bit. As a matter of fact, here's a little tiny example.
Where's Shelbers? I was hoping I got it on video. Already super thirsty. Henry's pretty much submerged himself. Oh, they're not going in it. Oh. Why are they going around that way?
I don't know. Why not?
Oh, awesome, Henry. I'm going, I'm gonna break my ankle. Come on.
All right, there you go. I still got to give them a bath before they can go in. Shelby looked like a freaking four-wheel drive. So, you know, poor Henry, he's wore out trying to keep up with her. But anyway, they saw an armadillo that they chased, they saw a rabbit that they chased, and they saw a yearling or a fawn, you know, a young deer that they got to chase. And that thing wasn't super fast. Shelby was keeping up with it, but, you know, anyway, so. All right, we have got to get that rotor squared away, get the brake caliper on. And then we've got to get this whole side strut and caster camber plate and everything put on, and then kind of align it and then put it on the ground. So this video is probably going to be a lot shorter than the last one. The last one was really long, but whatever, it is what it is. So this one's going to be shorter, I assume, and then I technically don't know if they're racing at Atmore. If they're racing, I'm gonna try and be there. I'll just be by myself, probably. And if they're not racing, I guess I won't be there. So, all right, well, let me get to work, and you guys just chill out for a few minutes, because I gotta get some stuff done. A couple of things real quick. Number one, check it out. These are like new brake pads. I know, right? It's pretty sweet. The other thing is this is a tool that Bruce made out of an old brake pad, and you use it to compress the caliper. You use one of your original pieces, stick it in there, put this in, and it'll whoop, push it out. It's pretty sweet. See, there we go. Now we'll just turn it. I can only, you know, can't do it while I'm doing it, so while I'm filming, but that's the gist of it, and super handy. So, I mean, I'm sure you can buy this all day long, but Bruce made it, so, you know, that's even, to him, that's even better. There we go, got it all compressed. So now we can put our new brake pads and slide this baby on, or our new used. New to us, we bought them brand new, dang it. So let's do it. Dropped right on, money in the bank. Love that stuff. Bruce is such a huge help. Look at me, guys. I'm doing real work. Look at this. I am doing real work. Man, I'm so good at this. It's been a long day. He beat up too. Oh boy. All right. Oh man. We've got this dude bolted on. So now we just gotta start getting our caster camber plate stuff done. We'll be ready to finish it up. Alrighty, me and the dirty pup. He's not super dirty, but he's dirtier than he wants to be for the amount of work that he's actually done. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore yesterday. It's a work shirt. I'm sorry. We're gonna wash it tonight, or we're gonna put it in the clothes hamper, and Teresa's gonna wash it, bless her heart. But we got this all mocked up. And hey, the first time, just saying, the first time I tried to put this together, or not this side, but the other side, I had the caster camber plate all assembled and tried to get it done, and that was a huge pain in the rear. I did that, I think, on Krusty and even on like the LTD, and it is so much easier when the caster camber plate's disassembled. I'm not sure why I was trying to do it like that before, probably because I'm an idiot. But anyway, for me, way simpler to have it all disassembled. I mean, way simpler. So, and way quicker. So anyway, you know, you can teach an old Tussin new tricks. Maybe he's just stupid. He's got to learn them like 18 different times. That actually sounds more realistic. So, all right, we're getting closer. Then we'll put our rotor and stuff on and be ready to bolt this bad boy back all together and set it down, see how it's looking or whatever. May not have time for a drive, but we'll see. We still got we got to wash the dogs. We got stuff, family. So, all right, let's get this thing done. We have got our janky rotor on. Everything's whatevered. And now we've just got to, you know, use our tool, run that in, put that on, put the wheel on, kind of go over everything again real quick. I think we're pretty cool. Well, it's back together, and I think we've got just enough time to take a quick ride. So let's jump in the car, see what happens. And what, dude? And we'll be back here in a few minutes. All right, let's go. You're not going. Well, so far so good. Nothing fell off. There's something rattling around up front, but I have no idea what it is. am the master of taking a 10-minute job, turn it to an hour job. Hour job, afternoon job, afternoon job, all day job, 2-day job, weekend job, week job. That's what I do. So something's rattling. Not sure what it is. Nothing serious, of course. Not worried. Not anything I'm worried about. I'm not worried about it. The alignment is okay. I mean, it's not pulling one way or another. The caster camber's probably off a little bit, but whatever. It's probably a little cattywampus. I just kind of, anyway. But when I got home, this box was waiting on me. So while we're here, we're going to open this real quick. See. Well, I mean, I know what it is, because I talked to Lance the other day about the anti-roll, which is hilarious because Lance is the guy that gave me the anti-roll. Wow, these are not very big. He's the guy that gave me the anti-roll. So, in all honesty, I'm not sure how big this is supposed to be. I don't know why I thought it was a little bit bigger. There we go. These are our bearing cups. This is the anti-roll Lance gave me. Ooh, winter, winter, chicken dinner. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. Man, that was a little tight. Oh yeah. We're gonna make some noise with this deal. It's gonna help level things out. So, anywho, of course that won't be on for this track day. We'll just have the K member. But we'll be getting this done during the week, hopefully. I just got to get with him about when to bring it over, weld those up, be ready to roll. So, I guess, okay, well, we'll do this. What will it run? How about that? Our previous best is a 708. The weather, you guys, listen, you guys always got to take into account the weather, okay? The weather, it may be a little warmer than it was last time. So all we technically have done is basically lose about, lose about 60 pounds off the nose of the car. Now granted, it's hopefully gonna be a lot calmer going down the track, but we've basically only lost about 60 pounds off the car. And the 100th, you know, a 100 pounds is a tenth. That is really more of a quarter-mile thing. And it's not always, while it should be true, it's not always true. So, you know, take that into account. But you know, what we'll run, you can post your guesses up down in the comment section. See what happens. And again, we don't even know if we're gonna get the race. We're hoping they're gonna run it. So, anyway, man, why am I yawning so much? So, anyway, I know this one's low on action. Besides the dog. So, thanks for commenting. You know, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, as always. And until next time on the substandard leader in Fox Body videos, don't try and claim my title. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. I mean, David says something about it, but David's not even. It's not even substandard is where you're kind of trying and it doesn't work out the way you want. David's not even trying, so I don't want to hear about his being substandard. What he does, it just sucks. Because he's not trying. I'm trying and it's not good. So therein lies the difference between substandard and whatever he's doing. Now he'll probably never help me with any of my cars again for internet bashing him, bullying him. All right, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully hopefully it'll be a TNT and we'll do good. So,
see ya.